Hello everyone! Today our group will be showcasing our final project, a robot that can detect obstacles and move away from them. It uses a rotating ultrasonic sensor to check for obstructions, making sure never to run into them. But how does it work? Our little robot here functions almost entirely off of this code, so without further ado, let's get into it. First of all, we include the servo library so that the Arduino can control them. Then, we define each servo to a corresponding pin. The setup serial function allows us to connect the robot with the computer we're using, and we set the speed of communication to 9600 bits per second. The trig pin sends the ultrasonic waves, while the echo pin receives them. The data is shown on the computer we're using. Servo.write90 allows the servo to rotate 90 degrees while checking. This loop will then run indefinitely, checking to see if there are any obstacles within a certain distance. It'll shut off the servos for a second, before checking to the left and to the right. The robot will then turn to face the direction with the least resistance. GetDistance simply returns how far away an obstruction is. The data is used by the robot when it chooses where to move. These functions are instructions for the robot to move. We have the move forward command for moving forward, move backward for going back, turn left for turning left, and turn right for turning right. This is all done through careful tuning of the servos, setting them to high or low depending on what we need achieved. Here's more of the robot in action. Overall, this project put a lot of our skills to the test. We're proud to have gotten it working, and we've learned a lot from it. We hope you've learned something new. Thanks for watching!